The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you've had a good long weekend. Maybe it's over. Maybe you're finishing it up now. I don't know. But look, one thing I do know is the market is starting to look, well, it continues to look good. It's just grinding. It really is just grinding and grinding and grinding and grinding. And look, right now we're sitting on the Bitfinex chart. We're sitting at $5,416. The high of the most recent move is 54.88. So we're not far off of there at all, guys. We did tap out on the high of the most recent move at 54.59. We are getting very, very close to pushing onto new highs within this trend. Now, what is actually going on here is that across the top 10, we are seeing a little bit of positivity. Bitcoin is right now the largest mover, apart from Cardano, in the top 10, and it's up 1.81%. Now, if we do see Bitcoin start to get moving, I think that what we'll see is a lot of the alts get hurt by Bitcoin. And I'm really happy to see that. Now, listen as to why. When we have a very strong bull market on Bitcoin, we tend to see the alts lose value against Bitcoin because Bitcoin dominates. What does it dominate? It dominates the new money coming in. It dominates the media. You're not going to have, for example, BAT, Basic Attention Token. You're not going to have a headline on Bloomberg or your local nightly news that says, Basic Attention Token up 30% today. No one cares. No one even talks about Ethereum, really. It's Bitcoin or bust, really. Now, if Bitcoin does have a big 10% week or 10% day or 20% week or something strong again, like we did see in that big move, a few weeks back now. When was that? That was back on the beginning of April. If we see a move like that happen again, we probably will see Bitcoin come back to the masses, and that's what we want, because when Bitcoin starts to get back into the press, we see the continuation of buying flow through. We're not going to see that if alts move before Bitcoin. It just won't happen for that mania that media produces and the awareness, I suppose, because look, not everyone just dives in and FOMOs and tries to buy Bitcoin. But what it does do is it does bring to people's attention that Bitcoin's not going anywhere. Okay, and makes them think, well, geez, it's done it a couple of times now. Am I going to miss next time? It's pulled back. Maybe I should start learning about this. And that's where we do start to see adoption pick up, education increase, and people start to be more aware of what's going on within this new asset class. So Bitcoin, I want to see it push on to new highs today, and if that trend continues, I'll be looking for trades to the upside. Across the board, we've got Ethereum sitting at $172.20, up 0.93%. Not a great deal going on there on that daily chart. EOS has touched that $5 mark again. I'm not really interested too much at all in trading EOS at the moment. We're sitting at $5.26, up 0.1%. Still, Illumin's up 1.5%, but still very much in a sideways range there on that daily chart. And until we do start to show any signs of breaking out of that level, it's a no for me. I'm just waiting to see if there's any strength to continue on. We got Ripple up 0.74%, sitting at 32.6 on the cent margin, so 32.6 cents. And again, still stuck between 35 and 29. Litecoin is down 0.26%, and sitting on that support still. It's retested that about $74. All right, roughly around that sort of region. So keeping an eye on that to see what it does there. If it breaks down through that level, then there might be some opportunities for some shorts, but for the time being, we'll just play it by ear. At $77, by the way, and 40 cents on Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash is at $294.80. It's up 0.81% today, and just holding in that cradle zone, still very sideways. We saw Binance have a decent bit of a pullback Against dollar tether, it's down 0.94%, sitting at $23.77. I'd love to see it pull back in a little bit deeper there on that daily time frame, get into that $21 mark, and set up a little cradle. That would be my preferred opportunity there on Binance. Tron is sitting at 2.5 cents, up 0.47%, but it is on a 4-hour downtrend. The daily doesn't look so good, as it is also in a downtrend. Cardano, another market here that has had a bit of a revival today, at 5.91%, but look, it is still grinding lower. It's not the strongest looking of daily charts right there. The 2 days actually back into that cradle zone, and that candle, I believe, will close today. So that will be our 2-day candle closing. And it's not the smallest of candles. And look, honestly, I probably wouldn't look to trade the Cardano 2-day chart right now, simply because I want to see how this trend kicks on. If the 4-hour gets back into an uptrend, that's where I will be more interested in actually trading. So coming back across and having a look at this market and just talking you through it. Again, today, it needs to be said, it's time to wait. I'm waiting still. This market is grinding, but the trends aren't as strong as what I'd like to see. I want to see these trends really become something special. We do have a higher low. We do have a new higher high on this 4-hour trend. I want to see it break to new daily highs within what we have seen of the daily trend, and then to get these 4-hour and whatnot into really, really nice trends. Then I can look at the lower time frames for opportunities, but for now, there is a number of things on my watch list. Today was more or less about taking things out of the watch list than it was to adding it, and it's a matter of being patient and waiting to see what comes next. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you again very, very soon. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.